Homework: telling an anecdote. Question 1. Fill in the gaps with correct expressions. I'll say, "Hi Samir, you look worried." What happened? Samir: "My tablet slipped out of my hands while I was carrying it." I say, "You're kidding." Samir: "Yes, the screen cracked and it stopped working." I say, "I'm sorry to hear that." Samir: "Thanks, I hope I can repair it before school tomorrow." I say, "Maybe you can use mine for now." Question 2. Make up an anecdote out of the sentences. The first sentence is, "Yesterday morning I was getting ready for school." Next one, "I was looking for my glasses everywhere in my room." The third, "I checked the table, my bag, and under the bed." "I was worried because I was already late." "My sister laughed and pointed at my face." And the last sentence, "I felt silly when I realized my glasses were on my nose." Question 3. Read a project review. Write T for true or F for false. Sentence 1. The writer was excited before using the laptop. It is true. Sentence 2. The laptop works fast without problems. It is false. Sentence 3. The battery lasts for many hours. It is false. Sentence 4. It is difficult to type fast. It is true. Sentence 5. The writer recommends this laptop to students. It is false. Question 4. Read the product review again. Choose correct options. Question 1. Why did the writer feel disappointed? Correct answer is B. The laptop was slow and had many problems. Question 2. What happened while the writer was doing homework? The correct answer is C. The screen went black. Question 3. How long does the battery last? Correct answer is A. About 2 hours.